You know, you're that's all we do. I said the great chef get it. And then Sam Prasa play.
Stop it, nice, man. You don't see we're back on the People's TV. Okay, everybody, for our first challenge of the day, we're going to listen keenly and act fast when we hear the instructions that we're going to get from our producer to either bounce the ball, or toss the egg.
Hold on now, because if it drop, I'm going to ring it.
The egg. Over here, so where did it?
I guess.
So we have to reach for it and...
I saw? Eh? Hold on. See the,
move it,
show the video. Hold on. Show. There's a video. Okay, so we have the egg in one hand and the ball in one hand. So if them say bounce the ball...
You're going to use the real egg first?
Why not?
I don't know.
Right. I say them say bounce the ball, they go. So them say toss the egg, they go. So.
Oh, toss... Oh, not me about to toss the egg.
Yeah, but we have to go do it quick. You can't sit down and think about it till tomorrow morning, you know. Bounce the ball.
Ready?
Bounce. Yeah, we're ready.
No. Ready now, foot?
Bounce the ball.
I hear, but she never hear. I'm hearing here, but Simone did hear.
You're not in the fullback.
Bounce
It
the ball.
was a... Hearing in the...
Never you're not bouncing the ball.
No, but
we're hearing you now,
we just hearing you now.
Oh.
Ready?
All right. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball.
Toss the egg. Toss the egg.
Bounce the ball.
Toss the egg.
Bounce the ball. Toss the egg.
Toss the egg.
Bounce the ball.
Toss the egg. Toss the egg. Toss the egg.
Bounce the ball.
Toss the egg.
Bounce the ball.
Toss the egg. Toss the egg. Toss the egg.
You're gonna can't tricks me.
Ball. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball.
Toss the egg. Toss the egg.
Bounce the ball.
Jesus.
Toss the egg.
Toss the ball.
Toss the ball. You're wrong. You're wrong. You bounced the ball. That's 1 point for me. They said toss the ball, even though that was not part of the original instructions. She said toss the ball.
From I hear the ball, I know it's bounce, so I didn't hear that.
One love, one love, one love. You're lucky just to have
Toss
just...
the egg. Toss the egg. Toss the egg.
Mercy.
See, I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that.
I heard the ball, so I just
That's my
bounced
point.
it.
That's what I heard before. That's why I bounced it. I'm not hearing you, Kerry. We're not hearing you.
We're hearing the head clearly, but we're not hearing the ball.
Bounce the ball. Toss the egg.
You see, we're not hearing it. I just hear egg.
Toss the egg. Toss the egg. Toss the egg. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball. Bounce the egg.
Bounce the egg.
No.
Bounce, you said bounce the egg.
We're not bouncing it.
The egg you can't bounce.
You're not supposed to bounce the egg.
She said bounce the egg.
And you're not
That's
supposed
what
to do
Footy
it.
said.
Because if it was a real egg, it's splatteroony.
Our eggs are full of rice, by the way. We didn't tell you that part. Except it's not a real egg.
No, it is an egg.
Boil, it boil.
It don't boil.
It boil.
All right, drop it and see.
It boil.
Drop it and see. I don't trust you.
What is this? Oh, oh.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you doing here, Punkachuli?
Here's a gift for you as a token of appreciation.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Oh, thank you, my baby. I love you. Thank you, baby. Oh my gosh, you didn't say good morning to Uncle Neville. You don't have any manners.
I saw him already.
Oh, you! I hate you guys. I love you guys so much.
By the way, Father's Day soon coming with my thing.
We gonna work on that one.
Oh my gosh. Where's Grandpa?
somewhere.
He's outside?
You know, she was saying bounce ball and toss it.
Rinska, I didn't know it was. I didn't even pick up your voice.
By the way, in case everybody just come from space and don't know what's going on, this is Erin. Obviously, Simone don't have no manners to introduce her to the entire world.
Sorry, guys, this is my baby.
Thank you.
Erin Nicole
Well, I don't know about
Clark
the baby
Cooper,
part, but
who used to be shorter than me once upon a time, but
My bad.
apparently she's a... Can't believe you did this.
Surprise.
Surprise! And she's not a TV girl, so that means you love me. You love me. Give me a kiss.
no, I'm not so certain about that.
She does. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Foots. Okay, so want to trick me. I'm usually the one tricking people around here, and you guys tricked me, and
Say it. That no.
That don't bad. It don't bad.
Fantastic. So, Erin, how did you feel when you heard that I'm going to surprise my mama on national television? How did you feel? And here's my father-in-law.
I'm so tired of all of you.
Here's my father-in-law, by the way.
So when you called me yesterday and say,
Sir.
no coming like a...
I've known
Yes,
since Tuesday.
Hi, Dada.
So, Erin, how did you feel? Did you say, no, I don't want to be on television?
I wanted to do it because it was for mommy, so I was like, okay, sure.
So what was the plan? What did they told you that you had to do?
Grandpa called me and he said that they wanted me to come and voice over a challenge that they were gonna do, and I was like, okay, sure. And then he was like, then they want you to bring her a gift, and I was like, okay, that sounds fun, and it will mean a lot to mommy, so sure.
This is Mr. Vincent.
So when you called me yesterday and said, you need to get
I'm no
in.
mother. She don't want to introduce you. Introduce your father.
You called me yesterday and tell me, say you need Erin. I need Erin to call me. I need to run something by her. But then, because them do that regular, I didn't suspect that. Tricks me. Now we're going to get her to school on time.
Yeah, I'm going to do that now.
Good luck with that. All right, I'm not writing anything note to Miss Gray. Miss Gray, she's going to be late this morning, and it had nothing to do with me.
Good to see you, sir.
Thank you guys
Also come
so much.
Blessings, you. Take care of yourself.
Love you, Papa. Hug it out.
All right, so that's it for the tossing the egg, the fun stuff, the Mother's Day gifts, the everything.
Very good.
Smile Jamaica done.
So Erin, come.
Our first giveaway this morning. Be the first caller to tell us the names of the sisters who spoke about motherhood on the show yesterday to win a gift certificate from Adam and Eve and a perfume set from Sophie Sam, and that will go for Mom. So the two sisters, remember I interviewed both yesterday. I'm not going to give you no hint. There are the numbers, 733-246-126. They were on yesterday, and if you could give us the full names, then you could win a couple of things. Up next, we look at gift ideas for Mom from 721 Collections. Stay with us, please. Soon come.
Stop long for your mama, light up for your mama. Select you better pull up on your for your mama.